Can a prenuptial agreement prevent asset division mistakes? Have you ever wondered if a prenuptial agreement can help you avoid mistakes when dividing assets during a divorce? This is a common concern for many couples. Let's break down how a prenuptial agreement can play a significant role in this process. A prenuptial agreement is a legal contract that outlines how assets and debts will be divided if a marriage ends. By clearly defining which assets are separate and which are marital, it can help prevent confusion later on. This clarity is vital because it reduces the chances of disputes that can arise during a divorce. One common mistake is failing to distinguish between separate and marital assets. Without a prenuptial agreement, assets acquired before marriage or through inheritance can become mixed with marital property. This can complicate the division process. A prenup specifies which assets remain as individual, ensuring that ownership rights are protected. Another issue is overlooking debt allocation. Prenuptial agreements can assign responsibility for debts, so one spouse is not unfairly burdened by the other's financial obligations. This prevents misunderstandings about who is responsible for what debts. Creating a prenuptial agreement also encourages financial transparency. Both parties must openly discuss their finances, which helps to avoid surprises later. This communication is essential for a healthy relationship and can prevent future conflicts. If there is no prenuptial agreement, courts will decide how to divide assets. This can lead to unpredictable outcomes and costly legal battles. A prenup provides a pre-agreed framework that simplifies the divorce process, saving time and money. Additionally, prenuptial agreements can protect specific assets, such as family businesses or heirlooms. By specifying how these items will be treated, couples can avoid disputes over valuable or sentimental possessions. To ensure a prenuptial agreement is effective, couples should consult experienced family law attorneys. They can help draft a fair and enforceable agreement tailored to the couple's financial situation. Full disclosure of all assets and debts during negotiations is essential for transparency. It is also important to review and update the agreement if financial circumstances change significantly. A prenuptial agreement must be voluntary, fair, and properly executed to be upheld by courts. In summary, a well-crafted prenuptial agreement can serve as a preventive tool against mistakes in asset division. It provides clarity and fairness before marriage, reducing the potential for disputes if the marriage ends. By addressing these issues upfront, couples can save time, legal fees, and emotional stress during a divorce.